Welcome, I'm is a TCL 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, we will need to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume up. And when you see the TCL logo, you can let go. That should take you to the recovery mode, and from here you will need to use a volume keys to navigate in order to select enter Fastboot mode and then confirm it with power key. And as you can see, we're now in Fastboot mode. And also from here you can reboot the device, enter recovery mode, which will just take us back, and enter or reboot to bootloader, which will take us to bootloader, or simply power off the device. And same thing, whatever you select, you can confirm it with power key. So I'm gonna leave Fastboot mode by selecting reboot system now, power key to confirm that, and I should be taken now back to the Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.